In this video, we will display a Fibonacci sequence. So we will ask the user for an input, how many terms. Okay, so user has to enter the number of terms. So I am going to make n1 and n2 as the first two terms and assign 0 and 1. Okay, and I am going to make a count variable and I am assigning 0 to it. So we will check if the number of term is valid. So let's say n terms is less than equal to 0, so this is invalid. So we will print, let's say, please enter a valid integer. Okay, so we'll make a elif statement. Okay, when there is only one term. Okay, n terms is equals 1, then we'll print Fibonacci series and we'll return the n1. So Fibonacci sequence, and here we'll put n terms and a colon. Okay, and then we'll print the n1. So now we'll make an else statement, else. So we'll generate the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, Fibonacci sequence. Okay, and now we'll make a while statement, while our count is less than n terms. Okay, so we'll print n1 and then nth is equals n1 plus n2. Okay, and now we'll update the values, n1 is equals n2 and then n2 is equals nth. Okay, and we'll increment the count. Okay, count by 1. Okay, so let's run the program. So here it is saying how many terms. I want 9 terms. So you can see 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is equals 2. Similarly 1 plus 2 is 3 and so on. Okay, so here we store the number in n terms. Okay, we initialize the first term to 0 and the second to 1. Okay, and then if the number of terms is more than 2, we use a while loop to find the next term in the sequence by adding the preceding two terms. We then interchange the variables, update it. Okay, and continue on with the process.